Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the mail app notification sound on your Windows computer. So if you're receiving new mail through your mail and calendar app and you want to get a different ring, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just soft click on the start button one time. Type in themes, Themes. Best match should come back with themes and related settings. Go ahead and left click on that option one time. Should open up the settings window and take us directly to the themes area. And now that we are here, you want to go select the sounds button where it says Windows default. Might be customized for you. It might say Windows default modified or something along those lines if you made any changes in the past. But for all intents and purposes, we want to just go ahead and left click on that option. Now you want to go and locate the new mail notification right here. And now at this point you can select where it says sounds and click inside the drop down here. At this point you can select any of the sound options you want to go through, so just go ahead and play through it. Doesn't really matter to me, but you're more than welcome to just go through. If you have any custom sounds you want to add, you're welcome to. Just go select the browse button and you can actually add your own sound in there. So definitely it's pretty cool as long as it's a WAV file, which it's easy enough to convert to WAV files as well online. But that's a tutorial for another day. I actually had made tutorials about that before. If you need some help with that, go ahead and look up the video on my channel. But this is pretty straightforward here, guys. Once you're done making the change, go ahead and just select apply and OK. Close out of here, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.